Plantago lanceolato, thin leaf plantain, also called Gyantin plantago in Africa, contains tannin, mucilage, and silic acid. It's found in Africa and throughout Egypt and Morocco and even Kenya, just to name a few of African countries. It's found in the Canary Islands, Europe, Asia, India, Nepal, Pakistan, the U.S., Europe, and the Americas. It's also called blackjack, buckhorn, hen plant, rat tail, ribgrass, ribwort, wild sago, and of course, as I mentioned, Gyantin plantago. Now, it has a lot of benefits. There's so many benefits. I'll probably have to do a part 2 for this. And I've done other videos on the benefits of plantain as well, so go check that out. I talked about broadleaf plantain. So the leaves have been used for bronchitis and throat colds because they have bronchodilation properties, which means it just opens up the throat and makes it easier and helps to clear the throat. And so it helps you to breathe easier by relaxing the muscles in the lungs. Airways can become narrow and inflamed due to asthma, issues like asthma, allergies, and other lung conditions caused by inflammation of the airways. So if you are have talked to your doctor or healthcare professional and they suggest using plantain, then this can be beneficial for those types of issues. A leaf poultice can be used for blisters, sores, ulcers, swelling, insect stings, and bites. I actually have a poultice that I did, a video that I did for hubby when he got a bite. He got a sting, mosquito bite. So you can go check out that video as well. It's great for earaches and even eye ailments. So plantain has a lot of usages. And so happy hunting, plantain.